Hazrat Nauman bin Bashir, may Allah be pleased with him, narrates that once Hazrat Muawiyah, may Allah be pleased with him, sent a letter with me to Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha. When I delivered the letter to her, she said, "Son, should I tell you a hadith that I heard from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" I replied, "Of course." She said, "Once Hazrat Hafsa, may Allah be pleased with her, and I were present in the service of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'I wish there was someone who would talk with us.' Hazrat Hafsa raziyallahu ta'ala anha said, 'Shall I send for Hazrat Umar raziyallahu ta'ala anhu?' The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent at first, then said, 'No.' I then suggested calling Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, but the same happened. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam called for someone and whispered something to him. Soon Hazrat Usman, may Allah be pleased with him, arrived. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his full attention towards him and said, 'O Usman, soon Allah will clothe you with a shirt. If the hypocrites wish to strip it off, do not remove it until you meet me.' This statement was repeated 3 times. Hazrat Nauman, may Allah be pleased with him, said that he asked her, 'O mother of the believers, why have you not mentioned this before?' She replied, 'By Allah, I had forgotten it. It just did not come to my mind.' Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 24051.